Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the video you want. Then, tap Text and select Auto Captions to begin. Choose the correct language and the highest accuracy option Capcut offers because that directly affects recognition. Make sure the audio track is as clean as possible, reduce background noise, and when feasible, isolate a single speaker to improve results. Once done, allow Capcut to finish generating captions fully before editing any text or timing, since premature edits can desync timestamps. Now you move into detailed cleanup. Play the video and read each caption while listening, correcting misheard words and punctuation immediately because errors propagate through exports. Use waveform zoom to match caption start and end points to actual speech. Drag edges for precise timing. When lines are long, split them into shorter chunks so viewers can read comfortably. Aim for about 2 seconds per line on average. Make sure sentence breaks follow natural pauses. This improves comprehension and prevents crowding on screen. Finish by exporting a short test clip to verify captions display and remain synced after rendering. Check different devices if needed. If captions do not generate or are out of sync, clear the app cache and restart, update Capcut to the latest version, or rerun auto captions with a slightly different language or accuracy setting. When problems persist, export the captions as SRT, or use an external transcription service, then import the corrected text. This gives you a reliable fallback and solid control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.